If you have VLC Media Player, do you ever encounter a blurry, pixelated mess when watching movies or videos with it, or do the colors sometimes look a bit off? This is a common frustration. We all long for a clear and smooth viewing experience. So today, we're going to explore a big question. Can you really improve video quality with VLC Media Player? Additionally, a powerful video upscaling software, VidHex Video Enhancer, will also appear as an alternative. Yes, to an extent, VLC has some hidden gems that can tweak your playback. But for truly transformative results, especially with really bad footage, you'll need to look beyond VLC. Open the NVIDIA control panel via the Windows search bar. Go to Video under Advanced Settings. Select Just Video Color Settings and choose with the NVIDIA settings. Then, click Advanced. Change from Limited 16 to 235 to Full Dynamic Range 0 to 155. Launch VLC Media Player again to apply the enhanced color range. Launch VLC and click Tools, select Preferences. Under Show Settings, switch from Simple to All. Scroll down to the Video section and click Output Modules to open the menu. Choose Direct Draw Video Output and uncheck Use Hardware YUV to RGB conversions. Hit the Save and Restart VLC to play your video or DVD. In addition, the OpenGL and YUV output modules in the menu can also be used. Open a video in VLC, then go to Tools and select Effects and Filters. Choose the Video Effects tab. Under Essential, apply the Color Threshold filter. Tweak hue, brightness, contrast, saturation, and sharpen sliders until the image looks crisp and clear. Click Save and Close. Now you can resume playback to see the effects. VLC's adjustment features are great for minor modifications, but they also have many limitations. Any quality adjustments you make in VLC are not permanent. For videos that are fundamentally flawed, severely blurry, highly pixelated, or heavily compressed, VLC cannot truly restore lost pixels and details. If you really want to completely change your video, permanently fix blurs, and eliminate noise, then you need professional AI video enhancement software. My top recommendation is VidHex Video Enhancer. VidHex doesn't just sharpen. Its AI intelligently analyzes distorted pixels and reconstructs lost details, effectively eliminating common motion blur and digital noise from video footage. At the same time, VidHex preserves your video's original sharpness and detail. After denoising, you no longer have blurry or muddy footage. Additionally, for dull colors, VidHex automatically balances the video's brightness, contrast, and saturation. Finally, it can upscale your old 720p or 1080p videos to stunning 4K resolution. VLC merely stretches pixels, VidHex rebuilds them. To use VidHex, simply launch the program and import your blurry video. Select a suitable AI model from the AI model list on the right side. Adjust the output resolution, format, bitrate, and other settings via the settings icon in the bottom right corner. Finally, just click the Export Now button and let the magic happen. So, while VLC Media Player offers some convenient real-time playback adjustments, it's not designed for deep video enhancement. To get true quality improvement, you need the power of AI. I highly recommend you try VidHex Video Enhancer. You can find the download link in the description box below to experience the future of video quality for yourself. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with our latest content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.